How to deposit money into Robinhood accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually deposit money to your Robinhood account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to deposit money into your Robinhood account, first of all, make sure to download the Robinhood crypto application, open it up and then log into your account. Then once you've done all the necessary steps such as logging into your account as well, such as this maybe with your fingerprint or your ID or whatever else, you can see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now basically the first thing you have to understand is that in order to be able to add money to Robinhood, you need to have verified your Robinhood account. And to verify your Robinhood account, make sure you're under the home page and it'll ask you to verify your identity, right? Just tap on the upload photo button. Make sure to take the photo of your social security card if you have. Then just tap on upload PDF statement, your bank statement or whatever else you have, and then just take a photo. If you have your statement with you, you can go ahead and do that. And once done, just select the option called looks good, and then once you've done that, it's going to take you to the details. Your images will be successfully uploaded, and then once you've done that, your account is going to get verified. And only after you verify your accounts, you'll find the option called add funds, which means you'll enable the option to add the funds to your Robinhood account. And after you tap on add funds, you'll be able to deposit money either with your bank, your card, or some other form of payment. And this is it on how you can deposit money into Robinhood account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.